Hello and welcome to the Needs versus Wants classification exercise. Have you ever looked at your bank statement and wondered, where did all my money go? If so, you're definitely not alone. To find out, we need to know if we spend more than we earn and if those expenditures are necessary. One of the most important budgeting skills is learning to distinguish between what we truly need and what we simply want. While that may sound easy, real-life decisions are often more complicated than they appear. In this module, you'll learn how to identify and prioritize expenses so you can make more informed financial decisions and move closer to your financial goals. To get started, you'll review a short lesson that explains the differences between needs and wants using everyday examples. You may discover that some purchases are not as clear-cut as they first seem. For example, is a smartphone a need or a want? What about a streaming subscription, daily coffee shop visits, or replacing perfectly good shoes just because they match a new outfit? Trust me, these situations can spark some interesting debates. Next, you'll work through a series of interactive scenarios where you'll classify expenses as either needs or wants. Rather than memorizing definitions, you'll apply what you've learned to realistic situations that young adults commonly face when managing money for the first time. You'll also complete a needs versus wants assessment where you'll analyze financial situations, justify your decisions, and practice prioritizing expenses. This activity is designed to help you think critically about spending choices rather than simply selecting the right answer. To make the learning experience more engaging and realistic, you'll have the opportunity to select one of 5 budget profile characters. Each character has a unique background, career, financial situation, spending habits, and financial goals. You can choose the character whose situation interests you most or one you can closely relate to. Throughout the activities, you'll analyze spending decisions, evaluate priorities, and recommend strategies based on your chosen character's circumstances. This allows you to apply budgeting concepts in realistic situations and see how financial decisions can impact different goals, lifestyles, and life stages. As you move through the module, remember that budgeting is not about eliminating everything you enjoy. It's about understanding your choices, making intentional decisions, and ensuring your money is working toward the goals that matter most to you. Let's get started and see how many of your everyday expenses are truly needs, how many are wants, how to keep enjoying having what you want, and still have enough money at the end of the day. You'll also learn how small decisions today can make a big difference tomorrow,